Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing pretty well in your lives, and today's video is based on a Korean skincare. I have never ever used Korean skincare in my life, not even face shop. So I am going to give my honest opinion on this one. But before that, if you are not subscribed and still you are watching my videos, then why aren't you subscribed? Please subscribe, go ahead and subscribe, explore my channel, like my videos. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay everyone, I know I have applied so much of makeup and I'm doing a skincare video, but guys, this is real me. I mean, I shoot a makeup tutorial and then I do all the videos. And please excuse me, I'm not wearing my mic because some problem is there. So I'm just going to fix that problem, and then I'm going to, again I'm going to incorporate mic, but then this video couldn't wait, so I had to shoot without a mic. Hope that's not a problem. Now the product which I have today is this one. This is by Etude House, and this is their collagen skincare kit. This is a mini size trial size kit, and it has 4 products. And Etude House, if you don't know, it's a Korean brand. This brand is in skincare. It also does makeup. Now I just knew that this brand has makeup, but then I also got to know that it also has a some type of skincare as well. So if you remember, I got my no love box. I think it's been 1.5 years ago. So there I saw I also got some products from Etude House. So I got to know that Etude House also does skincare. So I picked this up because this was really cheap on Nykaa. Not very cheap, it was around 750, but I really wanted to try a Korean skincare brand because I never ever tried any Korean brand, not even Face Shop. I'm not even kidding you guys. This is going to be my honest opinion. Now if you see the kit, this comes in this type of kit. Now it looks so pretty, it looks really pretty, and it retails for 850 originally, but then you always get 10 to 15% off on Nykaa. Now when you open it, you get these 4 products. Such pretty cute packaging. So let us start from the toner. This is the toner, this is emulsion, this is cream, and this is essence. Now I have been trying out these products. It's been a month, and I have been using these at the night because in the morning I was testing out some other product. So I was just trying it out in the night time, and I have all my views gathered. But before that, let's see what all ingredients they have. They also say that they have done hydrolysis. So what is hydrolysis? It is mixing up or deriving some product, or mixing up some product with water. Okay, mixing up a chemical with water. Now I'm not very big on chemistry, so I don't know exactly what that means. I am going to leave some information in my info box, so please go and check it out. So they say that they have used hydrolysis through which they have induced collagen in these products, and they try to enhance your skin's elasticity and smoothness. So that's what they claim, and they claim that they have also done skin irritability tests. So it is dermatologically tested. So if you have sensitive skin, you can also use it. That is what they say in their product info when I went to Nykaa's website. Now I also wanted to tell you what all they have. So let's start with the facial toner first. Let's see what the toner is about. So now this is what the toner looks like. If you can see, it looks super duper cute. If you can see, yeah, it has this type of tiny little cap, and from here the product dispenses. Now let me show you how the product looks like. Now this is not like your regular toner. If you can see, it is not very watery. It feels like an essence. Okay, it is not very watery, so it feels like an essence, and it just gives your skin a very nice hydration. You can see a layer of hydration. It is very different from the regular toner. I have never ever used such type of toner in my life. And yes, it has perfume, because if you know Korean brands, they use perfume. Most of the brands, I'm saying, even Face Shop uses perfume. So this also has perfume in it, but this is not something which will get on your nerves. It is very soothing, very calming. Now let's see what they have written for the toner. So they say that this has hydrolyzed collagen. This also has glycol. They have used alcohol in this particular kit, and it has glycerin, which is humectant. Now I'm telling you those ingredients which I think you will be able to understand. Now one thing, they have used alcohol, they have used more alcohol than what should I say, glycerin. So I don't know, it's like 4 or 5th product is alcohol. So anything which has alcohol, I don't know, I just don't want to use that product. And I did not see they have mentioned alcohol in their ingredient list. I don't know, I think I must have missed it. I have used small particles of super collagen, that is hydrolyzed collagen, and baobab oil, which is a fruit extract in MOISTFULL collagen skincare kit that provides endless moisture to your face and leave your skin feeling bouncy like jelly. But I don't understand, if they have used so much of alcohol, this is going to make our face dry. So I am really worried about that. Now this was the toner. What I think is, when I apply this toner, it just it tightens my pores and it just gives my face a really nice uh, glow. Now after this I use essence, and let me show you the essence. So this is how the essence looks like, and it also has a pump. Now again, packaging wise, they do really nice packaging. Let me just show you how it looks like. Again, it is a little bit thicker version of the toner, and it has the same perfume, it has the same fragrance, and it just gets into your skin like nobody's business. So let me tell you what all they have used in this one. So again, they have hydrolyzed collagen, they have used glycol, they have used water, they have used alcohol. Again, everything contains alcohol and perfume, and there is also glycerin. So I can't see any other ingredient, like no, the ingredient list is very similar to each other. So yeah, that is about it. Now if I talk about the essence, it just gets into my skin so well, makes my skin really moisturized, and I really like the feeling of applying this particular thing on my face. Now coming to the next one, this is the emulsion. So this is how it looks like. It looks similar to the toner. Now yeah, let me show you how it looks. Now this is very lightweight, if you can see here, it is so lightweight. Again, it just gets into my skin super duper well, and you can see it leaves a shine on my skin. Now those of you who has really very oily skin, this is going to suit you as well, and if you have dry skin, this is going to suit you as well. But only thing is, I am not sure about is that why they have used so much of alcohol, because this is going to make our skin dry. So if you have oily if you have dry skin, this is going to make your skin dry. This is what I feel. But it doesn't make my skin feel dry. It just provides so much of hydration that the next day when I get up, my face feels so good, super duper bouncy. I'm not gonna lie about this, because this really feels really bouncy. And I don't know, I don't have that many fine lines, so I'm not sure about the collagen part, how much it has worked. But according to me, this is a pretty nice decent product. Now let us see what all ingredients they have used in the essence, in the emulsion. So again, same thing, like everything is the same, but I can't see alcohol in this one. No, there is alcohol, but then alcohol is in the last section. So you can try out the emulsion, because the alcohol which they have used in the end, I would say, like from the end, it is on 6th or 7th number. Now coming to the moisture cream. Now this is so pretty, and now these products are available separately also. You can go ahead and buy the full size. Now I really like the cream. Like, I have never used any cream which is so soft in nature and which just gets into my skin like so. So now after doing the skincare, now here I haven't applied anything. So you can notice a change, right? It is so super duper glowy and it is so rough, but this has a shine in it. So now let's see what all ingredients it has. It has again hydrolyzed collagen, glycol, glycerin, water, again alcohol. From the end, it is on 4th number. So what I feel is, this and the emulsion, the quantity of alcohol is really less in these two, but in the essence and toner, the quantity of alcohol is more, because I can see from the top it is on the fourth number. So I think there is that Like if you are of dry skin family, this is going to dry out your skin. And why you want to put alcohol on your face? But if you are not very big on alcohol, if you are fine with the quantity of alcohol, this is a really nice kit. I think each and every product is value for money, but I really like this particular cream. It just makes my face so good. And even the emulsion, these are two favorites of mine, the cream and the emulsion. I just love them. I can also use the emulsion otherwise as well because it is so super duper good. I think in the toner and the essence, they are pretty much the same. I can't find any difference in these two. So if you want to buy something, go for the emulsion or the cream. The cream is really good. Okay guys, that was about it. I will also insert a demo of me trying all these out so that you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, I think I have covered each and everything. So let me tell you the amount of product you are getting. So the amount is not that much. Yeah, the essence you are getting 15 ml. Yeah, the essence 15 ml. And if I talk about the toner, 20 ml. So I think pretty nice amount of product you are getting. And if I talk about the cream, you are having 10 ml of product. And now coming to the essence, again you are having 20 ml of product. So I think they have given you a nice amount of product. So you can try these out and test it out for yourself. But I am happy with the products, but my only concern is that they have used alcohol. If they haven't used alcohol, I would have loved them. I would have given them 10 out of 10. But alcohol and perfume, it makes me a little sensitive. And I did not have any irritability, but when I got up in the morning, I had to use a sunscreen. I had to do a nice skincare, otherwise my skin started feeling very itchy. So that is about it. Yes guys, so I have covered all the points. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and if you think I am high on energy, yes I am, because I drank coffee. Yeah, let me tell you, also you can tell me what you guys want me to try. I would love to try if I have my interest in that product. So guys, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot.